What's going on, guys? So today I'm out here at Colonia del Rey RV in Corpus Christi, Texas, and we're gonna take a look at this relatively long PUMA travel trailer. This is a really cool floor plan, and I think you're gonna like it, especially if you're looking at getting into RVing and you are looking for a very comfortable interior that's been very well thought out. And it's something that is probably in the price range that most people would be interested in. Anyways, guys, hang tight. I'll be right back. Okay, let's start by taking a look at the numbers on this unit. This is gonna have a gross vehicle weight rating of 10,500 pounds. This is a relatively heavy unit. It's gonna have a dry weight of 8,624 pounds. So it's gonna have a cargo capacity of 1,838 pounds. It's gonna ride on twin 5,100 pound axles, which is pretty nice. The axles almost meet the actual gross vehicle weight rating of this specific trailer. It's gonna have E-rated tires, 15 inches. It's a pretty good setup overall. This is definitely something I would consider to be 3/4 ton towable or greater. I wouldn't put this behind a half-ton truck ever. This is a relatively long, relatively tall, and heavy unit with 3 slides in it as well. And also the thing you want to keep in mind is the length of it. You're pushing about 34, 35 feet long overall with this unit, which makes it a relatively long travel trailer. But let's take a look around the outside of this unit and see what it's all about. So you have twin propane cans up front. They look like they hold 30-pound cans. You have an electric tongue jack as well. The slide up here is a rack and pinion slide, as is the slide behind it. This is a stick and tin unit, so it's going to have a wood frame with aluminum siding. It's going to ride on a massive 12-inch I-beam frame. It also has electronic stabilization. Nice frame, honestly. It's a good setup. This is going to be storage that's underneath the bed. They also have your 50 amp cable in here because you have twin AC units on here. Coming around this way, you have your sewer connections right here. You're gonna have your 50 amp connection right here, outside shower, city water connection in the outside of your furnace. Looking underneath here, I would definitely upgrade the tires. Not a big fan of the tires that are on this unit. I'd put something maybe a F-rated Goodyear Endurance, or even upgrade to an all steel rated tire. You can see that it does not have an upgraded suspension equalizer. That is something I would also recommend upgrading as well. Anything that you can do to help dampen the ride from actually getting into the body or chassis of the unit is always a smart idea. Coming to the back, you can see that you have your square bumper back here, which is nice. A lot of RVs no longer have bumpers. And I want to stop right here real quick. So this is going to be your vent for your microwave or above your cooktop. You always want to make sure that's open if you're going to be using it, so you vent any air out as opposed to just recirculating it inside of the actual RV. Coming around this way, it has incandescent bulbs. I would definitely recommend moving to an LED bulb. You can change this out. You could change the entire fixture here out and it wouldn't be too difficult. You have your cable satellite hookups back here, so you can tie into a Parks cable or satellite connection if you have a satellite dish. You have your spare tire mounted to the back 4x4 rear bumper. It gives you the ability to put your sewer hose inside of there whenever you're traveling. And then on this side, you can see you have a liquefied propane quick connect right there, plus you have your stabilizers on the back, which are also electric as well. And again, there's your ladder going all the way on top. Coming around this way, standard framed windows, which I don't think are a problem at all. This has the Moride step above flip out step system. Has a nice awning that covers the entrance to the unit. Does not have an awning on this slide like you see on some units, but I don't think that's that big of a deal, to be honest. You can see you have the power stabilizer jack control up front, your fresh water fill right there, and you have a 110 outlet outside. This one's currently locked. You have a solar connection here on the side, which is just used to charge your batteries. All right, let's take a look inside of this brand new 31 RLQS PUMA. Nice friction hinge door. You have a screen on it, and you have a nice window in the door. Stepping inside, you can see your control station right here with all your main controls. But check this out. So this is a very fifth wheel style floor plan. Rear living room, mid kitchen. It's going to be very familiar to a lot of folks who have looked at a rear living room style fifth wheel or travel trailer. Nice accents on the wall here. Has some coat hangers and such. You have a stainless steel microwave there, nice stainless steel stove and oven, cabinet with a cool frosted glass, as well as a nice 12-volt refrigerator freezer. You have an island that can actually support a couple bar stools under here as well. Large single basin sink, has this upgraded faucet. This is actually the same type of faucet that we have in our new fifth wheel. You're seeing it in a lot of RVs now. 3 drawers right here, more storage underneath the stove. You have 2 cabinets here, and a cool little storage area, I guess, for soaps and sponges and things like that. A lot of storage room underneath the actual sink. There's going to be, I believe, a furnace vent. It's kind of an interesting feature considering you have some in the floor as well. I do like how they've offset them this way as opposed to putting them right in the center. So at least this area is kind of unimpeded, which is nice. Over here you have your nice pantry. That's a huge pantry area, mainly because it's as deep as the slide. Then you have nice accents going around the slide, a place for your TV, and if you move the TV out of the way, you have all this storage behind your TV, which is also really nice. I love it when RV manufacturers utilize space that might otherwise be dead space or inaccessible space if you didn't have, you know, a TV or something there. Entertainment system, nice wide view panoramic fireplace, some storage there. You have storage pockets underneath the end tables for the sofa. Nice blackout shades over here, huge window in the back and nice windows on each side. Let's take a look at the price real quick. It has an MSRP of $47,723 and a sale price of $36,753. So really not that bad of a price, to be honest. Here's an example of something that can happen en route. This piece of wood trim, super thin, just came loose. We even had some of this stuff going on with our new fifth wheel, and instead of using tacks, I would have recommended they use adhesive, or even a combination of adhesive and a tack strip. That way, if one fails, you still have the other one as a backup system. It does have very nice valances. Nice windows all the way around this space. Has a great size theater seating. This is really nice. Coming up this way, you have storage underneath the booth style dinette, so this also turns into a sleeping area. And then of course they give you all the value packed features that you get on this unit. You know, I didn't mention it is wired for a Furrion wireless backup camera. All right, let's work our way up to the bathroom area. Not a huge bathroom, but it's a good size bathroom, and it has a good size shower stall. This is definitely not a compact shower stall that you might see in some travel trailers. Pretty good ceiling heights in here as well. You could probably be upwards of about 6'7" to fit in the bathroom or the rest of the unit, and about 6'4" to fit in the bathroom or the shower area comfortably. Then you have your sink surround area, plenty of space, soap holder, toothbrush holder, plus you have a nice medicine cabinet and ton of storage. I mean, that's a lot of storage. It's very, very deep. Almost figured they could have repurposed some of that backside in the kitchen or somewhere else to basically give you some of that accessible storage that you might not be able to reach in the back. This has a plastic toilet, nice towel ring back there. Overall, it's a pretty good sized bathroom. Stepping into the bedroom through the door, which is really nice. You have a nice wardrobe here at the end. That is a very deep extending slide, so it gives you a tremendous amount of room here at the foot of the bed. Tons of room. I mean, it's really a lot. And you know what's interesting here is I can't tell if you could fit a king size bed. It looks like you could if you moved the nightstands out of the way, but right now it's equipped with a queen size bed, and I believe you could probably fit a king size in here as well. You have a nice window here in the back, nice accent trim on the back as well. The slide looks really nice. Plenty of room on each side of the bed to get onto the bed. You have your second Coleman Mach air conditioning system in here. Everything is fully ducted. Nice wardrobe space on this side. So plenty of closet space. That's definitely something that they've done well in this unit, is equip it with a lot of closet space. And then you have additional access to it on the sides, which is nice. And you have this area right here, which is accessible from the outside, Plus you have your closet here, and this is that locked door that you saw from the outside of the unit. So if you do not use this for a stackable washer and dryer, which you do have the ability to use it for, you could actually use this for storage to load something inside of this coach from the outside. That's very cool. And I love it when manufacturers do stuff like this, because not everyone's going to put a washer dryer in here, and you might rather have the more convenient ability to load your luggage and stuff like that into this unit without having to crawl inside constantly and go back out. So absolutely love that access. I think they hit it on the head right there. Okay, pretty nice unit overall. I think it's a pretty affordable price. I like that they give you a real door here in the bedroom to kind of give you the privacy you might be looking for. Bathroom's a little small, but I think it's well equipped. I think it has all the things you'd be looking for in a bathroom in a trailer this size. Anyways, I'd love to know what your thoughts are. Please leave a comment below. What do you think about the price compared to the interior, the features that you've seen, and some of the little add-ons, some of the little things that make it stand out. Anyways, I sure hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon. I like the lighting.